Movo sent me this handheld wireless microphone holder for my review. And this thing is pretty cool. If you're into social media and you like to be like that person on the street interviewing people, and you're tired of kind of like, you've seen it all around social media where people are just holding a little microphone with a little poof and going like, asking questions and answers and just going like this, it kind of looks, in my opinion, a little silly. But I mean, you got to do what you got to do. But Movo has come out with something that is super ingenious that actually solves that problem. And this is it right here. This is the handle. And check this out. The top right here has a, you do have a little thing that you can actually take out depending on the microphone that you're using. In my case, I've got the DJI, wireless microphone. And check this out. I'm going to take out the magnet because I don't need the magnet. And look at this. I'm just going to fit it right here in that notch. And it fits, right? Great. I could use it just like a microphone. But if I don't want to have that little, maybe ugly little dead cat here, that poof, and I want to use something a little bit more professional looking, check this out. Now I've got that Movo poof at the top. So it will help attenuate and make sure that it screens the wind around me. But then I look like I'm actually doing a interview and I am still using a wireless mic. And the cool thing with this is I can use the black one that comes with it. I can use also the blue one. The blue is beautiful. Look at that. The blue one that comes with it. And they're all in the package with one holder and 3 little windscreens like this. I think this is great. This is a fantastic kind of add-on if you already have wireless microphones. And if you're in that type of doing those types of interviews, super, super cool by Movo.